Nanaginip ako.
Do you find me beautiful, sir?
Yes.
I knew it. Ay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for keeping me company. Thank you. Just sit back there, relax, see a movie. Okay? I'll show you a movie later. Ay, next shit, lapot na lapot na ako. Parang pare-pareho tayong napagod mo. Joke lang. Okay, palakpakan tayo. Sige natin. Parang tapos na yung show ko. Isang kanta pa rin nakakanta ko. Hinog na pala yung problema ko. May marami. Ito ng tema. Tamis na. Ang dami nito eh. Sino sa shumare? May ang katinalalamunan ko. Kanina pa ako inuubo. Katinalalamunan ko. Makati talaga sila na muna ng damo eh. Sino multo yan? Huwag kaya, natatakot ako. Okay. Okay. Since I'm enjoying the night, I would like to give you this very beautiful song. This is one of the major hits of Rihanna. Do you know Rihanna? Yeah, Rihanna. Annabelle Rihanna. You know Annabelle Rihanna? I'm talking about April Boy Rihanna. Ayan, isa sa mga hits niya bago pa siya nabugbog. Anyway, dumigaling daw ako. And I assume most of you know this song. That's why if you know the lyrics, you just shut up, okay? So, okay, shit. Okay, this song is called Umbrella.